Using the database feature on the PT-E550W is very simple. Just simply select the database button on the bottom of the machine. After you select that, using the up and down arrow keys, you can select the database that you want. I have a number of different databases already loaded into this machine. What I will do is scroll through here, select my hardware database, and now we can go ahead and move through this spreadsheet that was loaded into the machine previously, call up the data that we want, and print. So if I wanted to create a label for this PT-9600 here, I could select OK, and then using my left and right arrow keys, select the information that I want to create a label for. I can create either left or down, but I cannot do it sporadically. I can't jump between cells. So I'll select that, and I'll select the three below it, select OK, and it brings my information in here. Now I can go ahead and print just a general label, and I'll do that for this example to print all these labels. But I can also take that information and roll it into different formats. So I can roll it into faceplate, cable wrap, cable flag, patch panel, punch block, any one of these formats that I want to print from. Hit that print key, and you have your labels created.